Prepare your 80 grams of wheatgrass seeds. Rinse wheatgrass seeds 2 or 3 times with water. Then, soak wheatgrass seeds in water for about 8 to 12 hours, or overnight. The next morning, rinse again wheatgrass seeds 2 times. This rinse is to remove acid it seeded. Put the seeds in the napkin holder or towel in the basin. And spray the towel/napkin with water to keep wheatgrass seeds stay moist. Check the seeds every 8 hours. If they look dry, spray them with water. Continue to cover the lid for 24 hours. After 24 hours, if the seeds are not showing any signs sprouting or small white roots, allow them to sit for next 12 hours. And moist the seeds is depending on the climate. The next 12 hours. When seeds are already germination like this, prepare a tray and a piece of paper. Then, spread the germinated seeds in a dense layer in the grow tray. And make sure there is no seeds pile up on each other. With a spray bottle, gently spray water at the seeds until it's damp but not soggy. Now, the blackout period. Loosely cover growing tray with moist fabric and double cover with another container or used cardboard box. 2 or 3 times a day check the condition of the sprouts. If it looks dry, spray it with water to keep the seeds moist but not wet. Seeds look moist and fat, not wrinkled. Day 1. Spray the seeds 2 or 3 times and wring it out the fabric cover at the tray. Day 2. Repeat the first day step and check if any mold shown, remove it. At day 3, you will see tiny green shoots poking out from the growing medium. And when that happens, remove the fabric for cover the tray. And place the tray by a window that gets sunlight for at least 4 to 6 hours. If there is no sunlight like at winter season, you can also keep your seedlings under a 150-watt fluorescent lamp or a grow light. If the roots penetrate to the bottom tray, start to fill the bottom tray with water under the upper tray. Replace water twice a day. Repeat the steps for day 4 until day 10. And it's time to harvest the wheatgrass. Cut them just right above the level of the growing medium with a pair of scissors. Refrigerate wheatgrass in a tightly sealed container for up to 7 days. You can harvest at 12 to 18 centimeters, but the older the grass gets, the more bitter it tastes. As my experience, the best taste is when harvested at above 10 centimeters, because you can taste the sweet and grassy smell. And you can continue to grow/regrow the wheatgrass after harvest, and this is my own result of regrow. However, the nutritional properties are lower with the second cutting. Now, let's make some juices. Combine your wheatgrass and water at the blender. Without additional any other ingredients, this will dilute the juice. But it can be less nutritious. However, it may also be a slightly more palatable and excellent way to start drinking wheatgrass juice as a newbie. After blending, strain the juice and discard the remaining pulps. One shot of wheatgrass juice is ready to serve. 1 cup of orange juice. Add the wheatgrass juice/wheatgrass extract. Combine all ingredients and blend until well blended. Wheatgrass orange juice is ready to serve. Put in the apples. Add the wheatgrass juice/wheatgrass extract. Add a little bit of water. Then, blend all the ingredients until it mixed well. One glass of wheatgrass apple juice is ready to serve. Serve them with an ice cubes is more delicious. Enjoy.